In my previous video, I was talking about what is AI testing and how we can test AI based on client, judge, and deep eval, like using the metrics, right? Today we are going to parameterize the prompt, that is the input, and going to see how we are going to test this. Okay, here I have used, if you see it here I have used documents. I have grabbed few text from the car owner's manual, and I have created a document here. Similarly, for organization, like they can use their own knowledge base. For example, their policies, the previous lessons learned, like the troubleshooting, defect troubleshooting documents, and marketing data, marketing sales data. All these documents, like it might have been stored in different areas, right? OneDrive, SharePoint, or Confluence. So you can consolidate all these documents and use this as a your knowledge base. Okay, this you can use it as a knowledge base. Okay, and this is called as a document. Okay, this and here I have used a RAG test data. This is nothing but the employee questions. That is FAQs, or like questions in the sense that if I have sales meeting in like 10 a.m. and I need some data, I can chat within my internal chatbot, and I can get some of the data which is approved data by the organization. So I have provided a few questions here. Okay, that is what I have done it for RAG test cases. Now this document is there, right? This document I'm using a retrieve method in order to parse this document. So how I am going to do is, I have a method called track ask tag, which takes two arguments, string and integer. I will talk about this integer later in this video. This retrieve method, again, it takes two arguments, that is like string and integer. And ask rag is being used where it has been called. It has been called here. Okay, here you can see that I have mentioned as question. Okay, this question is coming from which it is coming from the case is being passed. It's passed here. Okay, and this case IDs, right? This case IDs, what is this? It is just one line function. What it does is, like, it takes all the IDs within this, it takes all the IDs from the RAG test cases and place it here. So all these IDs will be placed in the case IDs, and here we are parsing that one for the first ID. For the first ID, this case, okay, this variable case will have all these arguments. Okay, sorry, all the values within this case, and within that it needs question. Question is the one of the dict variable where it needs the value of question. So value of question is what is SAE, viscosity grade. Okay, and similarly, if for the second iteration, it will for second iteration, this will be the ID, and the case will have again all the values within this ID, and question will be how much engine oil with filter. Okay, that will be substituted here, and then same thing will happen for the rest of the questions that I have. Okay, and the next thing is, like, here you can see that this method is returning two arguments. Okay, because it is returning two arguments here. Okay, and this the same case question, correct? The same case question is being used in this one, in this input variable also. So this one is nothing but LLM. It goes to directly to the LLM and checks and gets the output from the LLM and places it here. Similarly, for like actual output is this one, because this is the actual output, and this is what it is there in this one. If you see it, yeah, this answer, it has been returned here in this answer, and this is the answer it is going to have, and it has the retrieval context also. And this model with the next line is this model is equal to Claude Judge, right? This one we already saw in a previous video. This Claude Judge is nothing but uh, like Claude class. It is Claude class which is having deep eval interface, and it has a generate function. It has a load model. All these things which will be automatically will be called and will be substituted here. So for that, so this will be the judge, and that will be presented in this matrix. So this is the actual output and with the expected output. Okay, it will determine like what is the faithfulness matrix. It's going to determine based on the two actual and the expected output. Okay, I was also talking about the integer. What I'm going to talk like why we are using an integer. This is like a simple vector solution where we are going to use a overlap. If you see a overlap here, this query words or documents, whatever it is, like these are the two documents that we are going to compare. So we are going to compare this document and the test case document. We are going to compare both, and if there is a matching of like at least two words, then we are going to say that this has been scored, and we can say that it's match. The first sentence is I like swimming. The second sentence, I like to go to beach to swim. Okay, in this one, this two words are same. Okay, the first sentence and second sentence, the two words are same, but these things are all not like, even though the swim is there, swimming it's not same. Okay, these words are not same, so only two is same. So what the model is going to do is, like, since it is going to be two, so this will be relevant. So this answer might be a relevant one. So that is what this overlap does. That's what the overlap does, and it try to get this relevant answer. So again, in AI testing, there is no exact right or wrong. It is a non-deterministic approach. So this is a skeletal framework of how RAG can be, or parameterization can be done within our within AI testing, and we can test how we can test this tool.